Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this beautiful evening. Today, we are going to do something very different. We have our beautiful guest. She's come all the way from India. And really, I'm so grateful to her that it's very late in India and still she has joined us. Her name is Megha Deshpande Tripathi, and she is a Sujok healer and a Mudra healer as well. So I am as excited as you to know what is this Sujok healing. And we hear about so many healing techniques, but yes, this is the first time I heard about this, and I attended her session briefly. But that's why I've invited her, because I found it exciting, and more to come. So stay tuned in. Just a gentle reminder that we meet every Sunday at 8 p.m. on every Sunday, and we bring in guests to you from various fields. So watch me live every Sunday, 8 p.m. Reflections with Darshana. And welcome, Megha. Thank you for coming today. And
Thank you, Smile. Thanks, Darshana. Thanks a lot. And smile hello to everyone.
smile, hello.
Yeah.
Wow, I like it. So tell me, what is this? What's this smile hello?
Yeah, see, I do Sujok and Mudra healing. So this has been invented by Professor Park Chevu. And he has told all of us that this is smile. If you smile, all diseases will disappear, isn't it? So, and the moment we smile, the kind of a feeling which comes to our mind, it's so relaxing and stressful. So, with smile and with meditation, you can achieve him. So, and you can achieve the wonders of this world. Isn't this world a wonderful world? So,
Yeah.
you have to feel it. Yes. So, this is smile meditation, which he has focused on more. And it's such a beautiful feeling, which when you do this smile meditation, you really can know him and you can understand yourself. It's that beautiful.
Okay.
So whenever we meet anyone, we
Uh,
say smile hello, smile afternoon, smile morning, smile smile night, and like this.
okay. So smile. Good evening from me.
And smile morning from me, from India.
Wow, it's morning already, huh?
Yeah.
What's the time? Half 12? Or
Yes. 12:30, 12:35 now.
wow.
Yes.
So really, really, thank you so much. I'm keeping you late,
My
but I
pleasure.
think you look so fresh even at early morning, 12:30. So wonderful. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming once again. So, I want to know more, and my viewers now want to know, and everybody who has joined us want to know, what is this Sujok healing? What is this? Please tell us a little bit more.
Yeah. Sujok is a Korean word. It's been invented by Professor Park Ji-woo. And so means hand,
Could
and
you
jok
raise your
means foot.
volume a little bit more?
Okay. So means hand,
Yes,
this
thank
hand.
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is this hand, and jok is the foot. So sujok, that's a Korean term. And so whatever treatment we do on our hands and foot only. We don't touch any body parts, but the body gets cured only with the treatment on hands and foot.
Mhm.
So, how do you, how is the television run in your home? How do you switch it on?
Through the electricity?
Besides that, supposingly you have to see suppose star movies, then how will you do that?
Can't hear you very well.
If you want to watch star movie, how will you do that?
Through various channels that we have.
Yeah, but wow, what thing you do with
With the
remote control? Yeah. So hand and foot are the remote control of our body.
beautiful.
Yeah. So how I'm supposingly I want to work on the liver as an organ. So I will go, I know which is the point. Where do I have to put the stimulus, or where do I have to put the seeds? Because this Sujok therapy we do with the seeds, magnets, small micro needles, then color pens. You see, you have these permanent markers and all at your place, or the sketch pens and all. So we do with that. Then we have light pulsated pens. It's like very small kind of a laser. You can see that they are pulsated light pens. So with that, we do the treatment on a hand or foot, and we are getting the results. Beautiful results. And right from cold to cancer, it can cure anything. As well as it can cure physical as well as metaphysical problems. And these days, you see, Darshana, many people are like having problems because of metaphysically. Mind. It's all mind game everywhere, isn't it? So you can get cured with all those problems also.
So you teach this, what did you mention
Yeah,
earlier,
I am
smile
a yeah.
meditation? What is this smile meditation? Because, I love to meditate. I meditate every day,
Oh, wow, you meditate? Oh, very.
every single day.
I can understand the kind of a energy you have must be. You must be doing some meditation. Exactly.
Yes, I do my meditation, and it's like a regular thing without which, the day actually doesn't start. So morning and evening, I love, love, love to meditate. And my viewers, audience, whoever are watching, please, I would highly recommend you to meditate. It's the most in thing to do. If you don't meditate, I mean, uh,
Exactly.
at least my day, my day can't go without meditation.
True,
So I
true, very
would
true.
like to know from you, what is this smile meditation? You ask people to smile in the meditation, or what
Yes,
is this?
exactly, exactly, exactly. See, whatever the ways they want to meditate, sitting position, standing, lying, walking, whatever. And then, or closed eyes, open eyes, with mudras, without mudras, whatever. But, they have to meditate. Sometimes what I feel when I close my eyes, I can really relate myself to him. I can understand what am I from inside. And you have to have a feel for it. Maybe first time when you do, you will feel, oh, what it is. But this is what I think you must have also felt when you started first. And then once we start meditate, when they are into that meditative state, when they start going in it, we ask them to smile. Because smile, as I told you, you see, Darshana, supposingly if you meet a friend, automatically the smile comes, isn't it? Because that is a joy which comes to your face, isn't it?
Exactly.
Exactly. So with joy, if you meditate, with the wonder, if you meditate, the results are amazing. So this is what professor has told us, that you do smile meditation and you will get the answers to everything. It is like that. So along with sujok, smile meditation, mudra healing, the patients get cured so fast that the results are really amazing. I mean, when supposingly, because recently a cancer patient got cured, and I felt as if, I should hug someone so deeply that, oh my God, and it all his wish. Because otherwise you cannot, it is all his wish. There has to be some power, and which I really believe in.
Correct, true, true. And as you said, when I started meditation, to be very honest, it was very frustrating, when you start meditation. That was many, many years ago. Because, so many thoughts would come and I was like, oh my God, what have I, what have I gotten myself into? The time is going, and, earlier nothing happens. And then slowly, slowly, you start feeling relaxed, you start feeling good, and then you go deeply into meditation. It takes a while. So all of you who are not meditating yet, or those of you who have just started, I would say don't give up that easily. Continue doing it, and you will get the depth of it slowly, slowly. What do you say, Megha?
Exactly.
Right or wrong?
Exactly. 100%. 100%. You have to do it and you have to feel it. I would say that.
Mm.
And once you have that feeling, no, every day, early morning, even if you're not doing, or maybe after some time, if you do, and if you're not doing at the end of the day, you will feel that, oh, I've not done anything today.
Yes,
That
yes. You
kind of a
start
feel
missing it.
comes.
You start
Yes,
missing
you
it.
start missing. Once you are used to an exercise, isn't it? So people are used to for gymming or yoga or anything, and if they don't do that for even a single day, they start feeling as if they have missed something, a big thing they have missed. And similarly is the meditation.
Yeah.
I think it's a exercise for mind, body, and soul, and in life.
Yes, yes, yes. So this Sujok healing, coming back to Sujok and Mudra healing.
Yes,
So
yes,
Sujok and Mudra, is it same, or you want to tell us a little bit?
yeah,
Is that
exactly,
difference, or?
exactly. See, sujok is basically we do the treatment on hand and foot. Mudras are done with the touch. You see, it is a gesture. Mudra is a gesture, wherein when we combine two fingers, the energy passes and it cures. And Sujok is a treatment which we do with the help of seed. You see, you have seeds like methi dana,
Yes.
fenugreek, yeah, and then see like this, if you are able to see,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
normal seeds that are available in
Yeah,
every
in
home.
the kitchen. Yeah, it's whatever is available in your kitchen, you can use it. So, moong dana, methi dana, or buckwheat seed, anything which is available in your kitchen, you can use it. The kidney beans, you can use those also. So, because you know, they also have their own energies. And when you put those on the hand here, supposedly, they give you the energy and they have the curative waves. And this is how the body gets cures. So, this is a basic which we tell in Sujo. Then there are magnets. The magnets are like this. And there are many other types of magnets, of which one is this. Then there are small micro needles. You see, it's like a pin basically.
Yes.
It's like a pin. You see,
Yes.
like this. This is I'm just holding it. So just this is the point kind of a thing, which you are able to see. These are the needles we call it, and then you have the pens, these kind of pens you have at your
Yes.
place.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
all children have the sketch pens and all. Yeah. So you can you use this. We use this also because they have their own vibrations and they have their own curative. This is how it works. Then our body is similar to our hand and foot. Now how? You see, if I keep my hand like this, okay, if I keep my hand like this, so this becomes the whole abdomen,
Mm-hmm.
isn't it? If
Mm-hmm.
you stand up and if you assume that this is an abdomen, so these are two, one leg and the second leg. This is the first arm and the second arm, right?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the two arms. These are the two legs in Sujo, and this is the full abdomen, the upper abdomen and the lower abdomen.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we keep it like this is the face area. Here we have all sense organs
Mm-hmm.
like the eyes, nose, ears, you know, we have all those things here. And then here we have lungs and heart. So this is the, which I'm just giving you a rough idea. When I teach, because I am a ISA certified Sujok lecturer also, and I keep doing my courses. So nowadays I'm doing online courses also. So, and this, then when I teach this, then we have a proportion about everything. So because somebody's hand is small, someone is a little big, you know, accordingly. So we have proportions, and accordingly we ask them that this is the area for eyes, this is the area for nose, mouth, and so forth.
So what is the
So
seeds?
yeah,
I'm so excited to know this seeds thing because I've never heard about these seeds and kidney beans. You put it on particular place,
yeah.
and
See,
how does it
because
stay and what is
yeah, supposingly, suppose these are the 2 years.
mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll just show you. You have tape. Everybody has a tape at their place, isn't it?
Yes.
So you take the tape and just put one seed here and one seed here like this. Okay, and just first you just either with your hand just stimulate it, or we have probes. We have probes, a long probes like this, or with the hand you just stimulate it. Put one dana here and one dana here. Just keep it for overnight and you will find whatever ear problem, suppose because this is a ear point.
Mm-hmm.
Supposingly if there is a problem in the ear, first of all this point will be very painful. The ear point will be very painful. So that is a first signal to you that yes, the point which you have chosen is exactly correct.
Okay.
So there you
Maybe the
just
audience can
put
try
this.
that
Sorry.
test and see that they have ear problem.
Yeah, those who have ear problem can definitely do this.
Is
Yeah,
different and it hurts, then
it
they
hurts.
have some
It hurts here. Yes, it hurts here, but it cures here. As I told you, it's a remote control. So you are working on the remote control and TV is getting corrected.
correct,
It's
correct.
getting cured. Yeah.
Nice, nice. So
And
like that you have different seeds for different parts of the body. Am I right?
yeah, like, you know, some seeds give us a warm energy. Some are little cold, you know, like green moong dana, if you take that, we consider as a little colder than methi dana and all, or a black pepper. Black pepper is considered to be very hot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So supposingly, if you're feeling very cold, then we ask them to use black pepper or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's all, once you start doing it, the feel comes to you automatically, because in the course also when I teach, I keep telling about all these things. So it automatically comes to the students, and then they start.
So this course that you're talking about, it's like a 2-3 days course, and what do we learn in it? We
Yeah,
learn
it will
for our
be,
particular particular ailments, or you teach the whole package, or what is it?
yeah, see, Darshana, it is how that, as I told you, that we have points on a hand and foot. So in the basic level one, I would be teaching the points, what all the points are there on a hand and foot. Now this is the standard system, which we say the basic system. Now this means the whole body is here, right?
Okay.
But the whole body is in this finger also, in this finger also, in this finger also. And then it comes to the small phalange also. And this small phalange is the whole body. So these are various, and then partial systems also we have. So I accordingly teach, and about each and everything, going very specific and particular about each and every point, so that the students can understand and can practice, and then can cure others. Now say in this times, they can also, supposingly, like Darshana, you learn this, and supposingly your husband is having some problem. Okay, so you can very well heal him. And if suppose he is not here, he is somewhere else, you can, or you, to your relatives in India, isn't it? So to your relatives in India, you can just tell them over the WhatsApp video call that, oh, you put this here and all. So that things are done. This is what people are doing. This is what even I am doing. I am doing online treatments.
So during this COVID times, you are having people who are
Yes.
coming to you for treatments?
Yeah, now not coming physically, but online. Yes. Through Zoom, through WhatsApp videos, basically WhatsApp videos, because that's very handy these days. Rather than coming on Zoom or WebEx or something. So they come on the WhatsApp videos, and I ask them to keep them these these colors, the colors which I have told you, and also I give them mudras. So the best part is that for them also it has become so convenient sitting at home and in their time, whatever you, because see now that it's like partial lockdown. People have started going out, have started working back to their offices and all. So whenever they find time, so early morning, maybe at once they come back from their office, we just come online, and I tell them, you just put here, to put colors here, or you do this mudra here and here, and this is how they get cured. And fantastic results, I mean, touch wood.
So, like, if there is a particular ailment, because in this country, I have noticed that actually today also a little bit it's cooler side. We did
Okay.
have sunshine, but it's cooler side. So when it is cold season, a lot of people have joint issues and the little aches and pains. So if they come to you, would you be able to help them on phone, on
Yeah,
the video call?
sure.
And
Yes,
would you give
yes.
them like something to do? How many days they have to do? Any
See,
particular time of the day, and how many times a day, something like that, or
no, it is once a day only, and not also every day, like thrice a week, something like this. And if it is acute, then it gets healed early as compared to the chronic problems, which is very obvious, isn't it?
yeah,
Chronic problems take time, whereas acute problems, they get cured fast. So acute problems, they get cured fast, whereas chronic problems, the time is little longer for them.
right, right.
But amazing results. Now that you have talked about joints, Darshana, let me tell you. Now, these are the two legs, as I told you. These are the two legs, and these are the two arms, isn't it? So now, if you say in your leg, how many joints do you have? Three
Uh,
joints:
yeah,
the
one
hip joint, the knee joint, and the ankle joint,
ankle joint.
right? So similarly, in this finger also, how many joints you see? Three joints,
Three.
1, 2, 3, right? And if I keep my hand like this, so this would become the hip joint,
Mhm.
this would become the knee joint, and this would become the ankle joint.
Mhm.
So here where the basic seeds you can put, or this is a very good ring. This is available in many households. I've seen they already have it. So what I tell them, you just have to put it like this, and you have to massage first like this, and then like this.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, till the time it becomes red, you keep massaging it. And it's very handy. You see, you're sitting, you're watching TV, or you are just commuting. You can keep this. Supposingly someone else is driving, you can just sit and do this, isn't it?
Yeah.
And many joint pains, if it is just a beginning, only with the ring they have been able to cure themselves. So Darshana, because see, on the 6th of September, I'm going to have a free Sujok talk
Hmm.
for UK and Indians,
Oh,
because the
wow.
UK time,
Not
yeah,
very far.
yeah, 6th
Next
September.
Sunday, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll send you the details. So it will be from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. as per the UK timings, and as per Indian time, it will be 8:30 to 9:30 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
So there, as you have attended my one workshop, yeah. So, and here also I'm going to tell them, and also those who are interested in learning this further, I can also ask them, they can join me because I'm planning a course. So in case they want to, they can join me. And also I want you to join me. And
So
I'm sure you
anybody
will
can
join it.
learn. Anybody can learn this.
Anybody can
Any-
learn, Darshana, anybody. A class 10th student can also learn this.
Hmm.
Anybody. So what happens sometimes when we approach the households, if they are homemakers, they say, no, we have stopped learning, we studied long back, now we cannot study. And then I just put a introductory for them. I say, okay, you just come and let's see if you're able to learn or not. And they are so fascinated. They say, no, we want to learn this. So this is what is happening, because unless and until now, that, as you told me, when you started meditation, you thought, oh my God, what it is, isn't it? The
Yeah.
thoughts kept coming to you. And this is what happened with me also. Thoughts another, and I was not able to sit also. The point is that you have to at least sit at one place, or you have to listen to the other person, what he is saying initially. Maybe later on you can find your own ways of doing meditation. But initially you have to listen to the person who is asking you to meditate.
Yes, yes. You
So,
have to have a guru.
yeah,
Somebody has to
exactly.
teach you this new thing.
Exactly,
And that's what
exactly.
life
So,
is about, isn't it? If you're just not open to new things, new learnings, then
yes,
there are so many
sure,
things like this
certainly.
sujok. I never heard about this sujok. So it's nice, really nice that you're telling us. So it's a Korean technique.
Yeah, it's a Korean therapy. It's a Korean therapy.
And since how many years? I mean, you're a teacher now, so you are
I
qualified
am
to
a
teach.
teacher. I'm a ISO certified lecturer now,
Hmm.
and now I teach online also. Before that, I was just teaching it with the classes. They used to come to me to my clinic, and I used to teach them. But now I'm doing online also. So it's beyond the borders now,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes, we can.
And I'm telling you, because with me there are a lot of old ladies also who are attached. So when I ask them, there are few enthusiastic ladies, you see, 60, 65 years old. And when I ask them, what makes you learn this? I understand if I ask youngsters, I'm more interested in youngsters to teach them, because it is this the next generation which wants it more, isn't it?
Yes,
So, but when I ask that ladies, suppose there are a few ladies, when I ask them, why do you want to learn this at this age? They say, because for me at this age, it is more important because I don't want to depend upon anybody. And it's I mean, so realistic also. She says, I don't want to depend and I don't want to run. I can't run to doctor. So when I teach them, I feel so happy and enthusiastic that such people who really want, because so that at least their future is in their hands. They don't have to run. And in these difficult times, they have worked so beautifully, even for toothache. They didn't go to a dentist, but they know the points and they just put the dana. They have done other color treatments, and that's it.
wow, wow.
So, and Darshana, you keep allopathic medicines, like basic medicines for headache, for cold and all at your place,
Yes,
isn't it?
every home has it.
Agreed, exactly. Similarly, I ask them to learn this, so that you don't have to go to a doctor, you don't have to even come to me, you don't have to even come to a healer, isn't it? You
Correct.
can heal yourself, so become your own doctor. So that's my motive. And professor had told that there should be one healer, Sujok healer in every household. So how beautiful it was. And it actually is required and needed. And this I have seen in these difficult times when they were not able to go to the doctors and they could cure themselves so easily. It's amazing.
Right, amazing. Would you say it's something like, because I learned reflexology, not in depth, but I've heard about reflexology that they press the points. Is it something similar to reflexology or
Yeah,
completely
but
different?
exactly. But that is just basic, Darshana. That's just basic. When I'm telling you that these are the points here and we stimulate it, we put dana and we put, seeds, we put color. That is just a basic thing. Besides that, we have the meridians. We have meridians. So we work on meridians. Then we have chakras. We work on chakras also. Then we have a system called tri-origin, wherein we have the joints, wherein we know how we have to go there. There are a lot of sequence. We follow that, and accordingly we come to it. So that's what I'm saying. Only with the colors, I have got beautiful results. I have not. I generally don't apply needles also, but with these pens, with these pens, I am telling you, it's amazing. Beautiful results, wonderful results. So as and when you clear the levels, supposedly one level I'll be teaching you about seeds, about all these things. And then second level, I'll be teaching you about the meridians. We have meridians plotted on the, again on the hand and put, then chakras plotted here and how it works, what is the energy, 6 energies which we have in our body as per what Professor Park has told us, that wind, heat, hotness, humidity, dryness, coldness. So accordingly, I'll be telling you how the points are, and then we have tri-origin. And this is how when you grow, you have that, like me, it has become my passion now, and I see my students having this passion. So similarly, once you have, like, you have a passion of meditation, isn't it, what you told me?
Yes.
So isn't it that passion, one day also, even if you don't do, you feel, oh my god, what have I done, you start feeling guilty. I
Yes.
really had, isn't it? So this is what, when I do sujok, and supposing in front of me somebody is taking medicine, even if they are my family members, I tell them, you stop it, you wait, sujok will heal you. So because then it comes to your blood, isn't it? So now when you are doing meditation, supposedly some kind of a, sometimes happens in the family, some sad, some
That,
forbidden, yeah, some problems comes in suddenly, and you are disturbed, and then if you meditate, you find real relief, isn't it? So this is what I feel, that once you are into anything, be it healing, be it any kind of a profession, you're so glued to it that you really feel that everyone should learn it. So similar, the feeling comes to me also, that everyone should learn it, and it is very, very easy to learn. It is not a very big rocket science that one has to actually poke a lot of this thing. Initial 2 levels, I would say, are very, very easy. And anybody can do it, and they are giving amazing results. You can get rid of your all pains and aches with these 2 levels.
yeah. And the result period is like it varies with each person, or
Yeah,
would you
that
say some
depends from,
rough time,
no, that
two
depends
weeks,
from
three
body to
weeks,
body.
or
And plus, it is all his wish. I am just a mediator.
hmm. So you 2 or 3 weeks, maybe you can say 2 or 3 weeks. Is it a good time to, if the
Yeah, if supposingly
because
acute
a lot of
problems,
times what happens, like people ask me certain things, and then I tell them, okay, this is good, you should do this. But they do it for 1 or 2 days and then they don't do it. And then they say, oh, it didn't work. You have to have that discipline. It could be anything.
exactly,
It can be
very true.
meditation. It can be going to the gym. It can be learning to dance. It can be
Yes,
anything. That discipline is very important for anything, isn't it? Without that, it's like you wouldn't progress. You'll just be at the base level.
very right, very right. You are very right. So what happens when a patient comes to me and he or she asks me how much time it will be, how much time is required? Now, see, everything matters. I tell them these are the 5 fingers, isn't it? Our 5 fingers are different, right? So is the body.
Hmm. And
So,
everybody's body is different.
yeah, everybody's body is
How
different.
they respond to each thing is also different.
Exactly. Plus the faith which they come to you. Supposedly they come to test you, then he also knows what is to be done. So, but then that's what I'm saying. But what happens? Supposingly, first day they get good results, so they become your permanent patients. So there are a lot of patients, even if they have, little cough and cold, they ask me the points and they themselves do it,
Right.
and they get cured.
Good. So we are already. I wouldn't want to keep you late. Already, it's very late in India. So thank you for joining and smile. Good night for you.
A
May I say
smile, yeah.
smile? Good night.
Smile morning. For me,
And
smile morning.
viewers can connect with you. I have tagged you on Facebook, and if there are more questions, because there could be questions now. Also, you might have questions. You can ask in comments, and Megha and me will try to reply you as soon as possible, or later on also after watching this video. Sometimes it happens that questions come up. Please make sure you ask us the questions. We are here to answer the questions if you have any. And Meghaji, once again, thank you very much for being on my
Smile,
show.
thanks.
Namaste and smile. Good night. And this is Darshna Shah, Reflections with Darshna, and we will meet again next Sunday at 8 p.m., where we'll be welcoming a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful poet. Her name is Rahi, and she's a super mom as well. So we are going to have a beautiful session. So stay tuned in, stay happy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Bye now.